Hello, we meet again. In the previous episode, Boo-boo talked about the special process of removing organic matter and insect eggs from bamboo strips through high-temperature carbonization and drying. Now, let's follow Boo-boo into the workshop and take a first-person perspective to see precision planing, machine color sorting, and manual inspection of bamboo strips. This is where the bamboo raw materials rest after being steamed and sawned, referring to carbonization and drying. They need to rest and cool down here for a while to allow the fibers inside the bamboo strips to stretch out. Then, over here is the workshop for precision planing and machine color sorting. The workers put the rested bamboo strips into the precision planer, which cuts the bamboo strips into fixed sizes according to a set program. The resulting bamboo strips of suitable size go directly into the automatic color sorting machine, which sorts them into different color grades according to the color of the bamboo strips. After the machine completes the first screening, manual selection and inspection are still necessary. The workers here are experienced and professional personnel who use their eagle-like eyes to make up for any emissions that the machine may have caused. Finally, the qualified excellent bamboo strips are stored in piles in the warehouse here, for later processing into products through other processes. If you're interested in our product, please contact us. Magic Bamboo will continue to introduce more great products, so please stay tuned.